gonna go to View Lounge. I got a little backpack, can you guys see? That's the kind of sacrifice I do. So for today's vlog, Malak's gonna drive the Lambo. As if, as if, open this boot please. Struggling opening the boot. Oh.
Done it.
Unlock the door. Come on Malak, struggling. Lounge. I had to wait about 30 minutes to come here for an open seat. Order the table, it's gonna come before our food. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long.
The barbecue ribs or starter.
The goat cheese, isn't it? Yeah, that's
Can I get the big cheesy meatball?
I want passion fruit over here, please. How's it going?
So, how do you like the cook special filet mignon?
Medium well.
How do you find the drinks?
Probably the worst strawberry mojito I've had in my life. But their food is good. Their drinks they need to improve.
Ready, Baba?
Go on, Baba.
Ready, Baba?
Yes, Baba. Go on, Baba. Yes. Nice. I usually don't like plain steak.
Yeah.
I'm more a steakhouse person. Like masala steak, like this is good. I like my steak medium well. A lot of you people like it red, as if it's cut off straight from the cow. I'm not a big fan of that, so raw is basically rare. You might as well eat it straight from the cow.
How about with the cheese and the chili sauce?
Yeah, apparently there's like 4 different types of cheese here. You can see here, you dip that in here. Oh my god, the cheese is becoming a bit soft.
Oh, what? That's a lot of cheese.
That's just pure fat there. Tastes good. Just slides in your mouth. It gets cold a bit quick, so you gotta eat it. Why did you not have it while it was hot?
Because I was trying to record that.
What's in this salad? What cheese is it?
Goat cheese.
Goat cheese. Do you like goat cheese? You don't
A
know.
bit more textured.
What texture is it? Is it more
Crumbly.
crumbly? Yep.
Yeah.
Definitely. You can see from that. And got pomegranate. Malaika actually introduced me to this salad.
But there's not enough pomegranate sauce on this.
Yeah.
Last time we came, they had quite a bit of pomegranate sauce. Right now, there's not a lot of pomegranate
Just
sauce on
cutting
this.
down. I made a good choice. I'm not buying too much of the 500 grams. 250 was more than enough because I had the beef ribs as well. Cheesy chips.
I think it's like a cheese sauce.
Yeah.
It said cheese sauce.
This place has a odd obsession with all my sun tracks. every single song that I have in my car, all of it, they play. So this steak that we got, it's thinner, it's softer. I'm saying, did you like this? What you ate?
I wouldn't get it again.
To be honest, the reason she didn't like it is because you let it go cold.
No, that's not fine.
Be a steak at the same time.
I thought it'd be a steak.
That's
with
like
cheese.
expecting an egg to be like a chicken. An egg and a chicken does not taste the same. You ordered something completely different. So I'm gonna have to take their side of View Lounge here. They may have given us wobbly tables when we came in, but that was not.
No. It looked really good. Like I think I just let it go a bit cold. But 100% the steak the first time round was amazing, and I would definitely come here again. I haven't had baklava in a really long time.
I'm not putting this in. Oh my god, again.
How do you feel about that guy feeding me?
You, right, not my wife anyway. To be asking for permission. She cheated on me. Unacceptable behavior. Unacceptable, not allowed. Not only did he feed me, she ate it.
The girl came here and she cut it and she put it in front of you. You would have ate it.
Well, I'm allowed 4 wives. It's not as soft as Nusret. It's supposed to be a clone. It's like it came out of the freezer. It's very hard. Nusret's one was much more softer, but it's still nice. It's like, I don't understand this. Like, that's what he did to yours as well. I think mine was the only one that was worth it because they actually cooked it. The other ones, what they do, they just come and chop it up and they make a big mess and they just like, here you go. People are like, wow, this is so amazing. And that's what I'm doing right now. I just realized, I'm like, what am I actually filming? Some guy actually making a whole load of mess with my food that I made. He cut it for me. But he made it messy and he just like, yeah, eat it now.
I don't agree with him.
Even finish your food. Because the guy made a whole load of mess and he just left. If he just left it would have actually got cold a lot slower because the meat would have been, the cheese would have been inside the meat. Alright, time for the main thing. What do you think I'm gonna say?
How much do you think the bill came up to?
Ah, well done! She guessed it right. I think it's gonna come to 85 to 90. You said 100. Back from U Lounge. I don't know if you guys could hear or not, but it was loud, really, really loud. That was probably the only bad thing about it. I don't know. I mean, some people like the loud atmosphere. You could see some people like booging around, vibing with the view music. I didn't do shisha, surprisingly. That's because I want to be a good influence on you guys. You know, if you want to do shisha, you go and do it. Last time I had it, it was decent. I think it's tobacco ones, so they're quite decent. They're good. So what's the goods? What did you say?
The service was just amazing. If there's any restaurant that should have a mandatory service charge, it would 100% be View Lounge. From the moment you walk into the moment you leave, there's just exceptional service throughout.
Yeah, the service is good.
The staff are just so lovely. Everyone's just so welcoming. They have such they just have really nice personality.
Hey, fed you. Hey, it's not good. See what I mean? I didn't have no girl come and feed me, so I can't really say it was amazing. There were a few girls, I mean, they could have came and fed me. Good experience and so lovely, if that was the case, but I'd say the guys there, they're pretty cool.
You're
they're
so extra.
Right,
That was so unnecessary.
Food you can't really say anything bad about. I think steak is always really good. I wanted the porterhouse steak, but they didn't have it. Last time I had it, it was really nice. The pictures came out really good because I had a fresh trim. I had so many girls sliding into my DMs after that picture, like bears. You took that picture.
I took that picture.
Yeah, I had a girl saying that view with that view. Post that screenshot here. I was such a good slide in, so I'm not gonna expose her. But I'm just gonna post that here for you guys to learn tips from. And if you wanna slide into a guy, his DM, if we went to View Lounge, you can use that pickup line. I thought so.